Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add Google account to your device iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and see if sign in button is asked. Then you can understand that there is no email ID already associated with your phone. You can include one email ID or two email ID or more than two multiple email ID to your device. Okay, so how to add? Just click on sign in button and then it will ask your PIN for authentication first. Okay, if you have set PIN, it will ask PIN. If you have set pattern, that will be asked. Okay, then enter your email ID. Okay, so here this is my email ID I would like to associate, and click on next. Now it will ask your password. Give your password. I am typing my password. Yes, I have typed my password and click on next. If you have enabled any two-step authentication, it will ask here itself. Yes, two-step authentication is asking. So I am checking in another device. Yes, I have confirmed. Yes, now click on I agree. And it's loading. Never lose your contacts, turn on. Google services are loading. Just click on accept. Click on get started. Okay. Yes, added now. Now you can use Google Play services. Okay. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.